The most important part of swine production is in knowing the correct way to feed pigs. Whether browsing through a piglet feeding guide or studying swine management techniques, pigs need a high-energy diet that is low in fiber that contains ample protein. Pigs will consume enormous amounts of food quickly. To raise and maintain a healthy stock, maximize growth and reproduction, and increase production, it is necessary to feed them the right food and a balanced diet from wean to finish. What to feed pigs? Though pigs will eat just about anything, all kinds of scraps or leftover food such as bread, other grains, vegetables, and fruits, their growth rates are best maintained when the animals are fed a feed made specifically for pigs. Foods to avoid. When creating your own pig food mixture, there are certain types of food you'll want to avoid for reasons ranging from slow growth rate to outright toxicity. Here are the general foods to avoid in pig feed. Sweets and high sugar foods. Dog food. Cracked corn, milk, fish, meat, fruits, potatoes. Foods high in sugars can slow growth rates while milk, meat, and fish can harbor viruses. Pits and seeds of apples, pears, apricots, and peaches contain a naturally occurring substance called amygdalin, which is a cyanogenic glycoside that is released when chewed, causing illness, discomfort, or even death. Potatoes contain natural toxins called glycoalkaloids, which can cause severe stomach ache or even death, though rare, and also contain solanine, which destroys red blood cells, causes diarrhea, and heart failure. How to formulate good pig feed. Formulating a good pig feed will help achieve optimum growth of your stock. Feed should meet the animal's needs for maintenance, growth, and reproduction, and contain sufficient energy, protein, minerals, and vitamins. Farm grains are the most common and best source of food to feed pigs. Most typically corn-based feeds are used because they are high in digestible carbohydrates, low in fiber, and cost-effective. The feed should be supplemented with other vitamins, proteins, and some antibacterial compounds to their feed to slow the growth of naturally occurring bacteria that may be harmful to the animal or your stock. Feeds mixed with rice bran, broken rice, maize, soybeans, cassava, vegetables, and distillers' residues have shown positive results. Pig food requirements. A pig's food and water requirements change as pigs grow. Piglets, younger pigs that weigh less than 40 pounds, should be introduced to a solid diet through creep feeding while they are still suckling. Dietary needs will increase daily with the pig's weight. Growing and finishing pigs. Growing pigs, those weighing 40 to 125 pounds, and finishing pigs, those weighing 125 pounds to market weight. Approximately 230 pounds or more should transition from the grower feeds that are nutrient-dense with more protein to the finisher feeds that are less dense. Expected pig growth rates. Because a pig eats approximately 4% of its body weight per day, they require a number of essential nutrients to meet their daily needs: water, carbohydrates, fats, protein, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins. With a proper diet, expect weight gains of about 1.5 to 1.7 pounds per day, up to approximately 110 pounds. After that, weight gains of 1.8 to 2.2 pounds per day. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.